salty fast food and sweets packed with sugar. It's surely not the healthiest option, but wow, is it the tastiest one. Before we get full of food, we have some awesome food hacks coming your way. Have you had your times by the couch when you run out of your chips? Oh no, it's gone already? Within all the packs. Oh no, I'm still feeling hungry and there's no chips left. Well, hello there, Sophie. What do we have here? A dress fully made out of packs of chips? Yes, girl, that's how you roll. You want to have one yourself? Just take a plain shirt, stick some double tape on a pack of chips, and then just put the pack on the shirt. Do it till you get a full shirt covered in your favorite packs of flavored chips. Look at that! Purely amazing. Can I have some space, Mary? I'm a little packed here. Alrighty, which one should I have here? This one looks delicious. Gosh, this is amazing. Can I take a bite of it? Sure, help yourself. Just try not eating everything by yourself. Feeling thirsty? Grab a soda. What? Less soda? Fridge was fully packed with soda. What happened? This is very mysterious. How can all of the soda cans go missing in 1 hour? Oh well, at least I have the last can of it. Mary, this is the one who took all the soda, and you took it all to yourself. What is it that you made here? Well, it's a soda 6-pack. I was thirsty, so why not drink them all at once? To make your own soda 6-pack, you'll need 6 full cans of soda. To make your own soda 6-pack, you'll need 6 full cans of soda. Stick double tape on one of the cans and stick it with another one. Carry on till you have a 6-pack. Open your cans and take 6 straws, and using a rubber band, tie them together. Put all the ends in the soda packs, and there you go! All at once drinkable 6-pack of soda. You can say goodbye to drinking single cans of soda. Oh, Mary, this is wrong. Oh, Mary, this is wrong. What am I supposed to drink now? Don't you sometimes want to have some cookies with some milk? Yes! Can't wait to have these cookies. They are delicious. I just need some milk, and here we go. Now I just need to reach the milk with my cookie. Why is it not happening? Come on, cookies, reach the milk. Okay, this is not happening. There is a trick. If you want to reach milk with your cookies, just pick a fork and stick right to the cookie. There you go. Now you can reach your milk without spoiling any cookies. Yes, I'm loving it. This is delicious. Well, well, what do we have here? Mary is hungry again. Yes, Nutella! Definitely have some. Yes, Nutella! I definitely want to have some. Look at this beautiful spread going on this tasty bread. Delicious! Oh yes, come to mama. Somehow I still feel hungry after the last piece. Should I have some more? Maybe this time I can try putting Nutella on this lovely cookie. Yes, I can feel it now. Chocolate cookie with Nutella on top. Yes, this is going to be maliciously delicious. Well, that was fast. Maybe this time I will just eat Nutella on its own. Yes, this is heaven. Oh, and it's gone. Oh well, I'll just leave it as it is. Finally home. All day I was waiting to have a taste of my Nutella. What? It's all gone? How? Oh, I can't believe that. I know. I just can use ice cream to scoop those chocolate leftovers. Take a big spoon of your favorite ice cream that goes well with chocolate. Put that spoon of ice cream inside the Nutella jar, and there you go. Enjoy your ice cream with chocolate spread. Yes, this thing saved my life. This is so good. Brilliant. That is one way to save yourself from this kind of situation. Finally, our favorite ice cream. Oh my god, I can't wait to have it. Wait, we need a bowl. Well, Mary, I think we ran out of bowls. None of them left. Oh, that's why. They're all dirty in the sink. I know. Take a pack of an ice cream and using the knife, cut the pack in half. You should get 2 separate pieces of ice cream. Then, simply use the spoon and enjoy eating your ice cream. Once again, delicious! Oh yes, wow, Sophie, you truly know how to handle things. Oh God, brain freeze! This is so good! Yes! Hey, Mary, guess what I have for you? My favorite chocolate pudding. Cheers, girl. Can't wait to have my stomach filled with this goodie. Yes. Looking good. Wait a minute. How are we supposed to eat our pudding without a spoon? I don't know. Maybe try drinking it? I suppose. Well, it's not working very well. Maybe we can eat using our fingers. I know. There's a solution. If your lid is made out of aluminum and you have no spoon nearby, try making one out of the lid. Create a slot similar to spoon slot and screw the end of the lid to have it as a holder to pick up your pudding. There you go, handmade spoon. Easy as that to enjoy your food anywhere. I suppose this one's a good idea. Much better than using your fingers. Even the new teacher can't make us get rid of old habits. Chewing in class was always a tradition. Emma's got bubblegum. Emma, stop! We're not sure of possible teacher's reaction. This is why we use a secret bubblegum holder. Coat a tape dispenser with an acrylic paint. Put a paper ring onto a holder and put your gum on the strip around it. Put the dispenser back on and take out the gum. See, my gum is hidden nicely. Teacher won't even notice it. Just grab a gum instead of a tape. Quick, the teacher is coming. Act natural. Success! She didn't even notice. Is Emma chewing something? Emma, are you not telling me something? Where did you get all your snacks from? Shh, Sophie, be quiet. Don't get us noticed by the teacher. I got it right here. Have an empty Pringles can. Outline a cutout like this and cut it out with a blade. Disguise it with your favorite color. Now it should look like a pencil tin. Fill it up with your favorite snack. Nice choice. Still have a lid? Cut off its ridge and drop it like it's hot. This way your pencils can sit on top. Pretty cool, isn't it? Wow, that's so smart, Emma! Just open your pencil tin and voila! Sneaky snacks. Bon appetit, Sophie! Things can get messy and out of control, but with these food hacks, it's all under control. Like our food hacks? Which ones would you use? For more and fun hacks, subscribe to Wizard School and stay tuned for more videos. Bon voyage, and until the next video.